Hello coin engineers and welcome to the new episode of Aptos blockchain playlist. If you don't know what is Aptos, let me explain it to you in a short time. It's a new and promising blockchain which is currently in testnet and has huge airdrop chances. While using the testnet to get the possible airdrops, we need Web3 wallets and Petra is one of them. And it's also made by Aptos Labs, the developer of the blockchain itself. Don't forget to click on the playlist link in the descriptions of this video to participate every testnet currently live on Aptos blockchain to get an airdrop chance. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to catch every opportunity for free. For more content, you can follow us on other social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. If you're ready, let's start. You need to enter petra.app to be able to download the wallet. After entering to this website, click on the blue button which says download. Then click on the add to Chrome button to install Chrome extension of the Petra wallet. If you are using any other browser, it will direct you to that browser's application store. If it doesn't, you may have to use Google Chrome to get Petra wallet. To be able to reach Petra wallet easily, click on this puzzle button, then click on that pin button. After that, whenever you open your Google Chrome and whichever tab you're in, you can easily see the Petra wallet icon just at the right top corner of your browser. Now let's see how can we create our Petra wallet account easily. First of all, you need to click on this button and then click on create new wallet. If you have an Aptos wallet before on Petra or Martian wallet, you can click on this import wallet button. Then choose yourself a password and enter your recovery phrases to use your wallet in Petra wallet's interface. But now we will create a new wallet and use it from the scratch. So let's click on this create new wallet button, and as you can see, we should set a password to be able to access our wallet securely whenever we need it. I've written my password to the both sections and I agreed to the terms of service. Now I will click on the continue button and I will click on this gray section to reveal my secret phrases. I clicked on it and as you can see, my recovery phrase, which contains 12 words, are waiting for them to be written on a paper and securing them safely. Don't forget that your recovery phrase is only way to access your wallet if you lost your device or lost your connection to the wallet. Without them, you will never be able to access to your wallet again. Anyone, even the Aptos Labs, can't help you to access your assets without your recovery phrase. So write them on a physical paper and save them securely. Don't store those recovery phrases in your computer or your mobile phone, since if your computer or mobile phone gets hacked, the hacker can access your recovery phrase and use your wallet to steal your assets. Now I've written my recovery phrases on a physical paper and I will click on this continue button, and as you can see, the wallet wants me to enter my recovery phrase again. Even the wallet wants you to write your recovery phrases to somewhere else to help you access your assets if you lost your connection to your device. Now let's write our recovery phrase again here and click on the continue button. I've written every word here and I click on the continue button. Now click on the done button and as you can see, our Aptos Web3 wallet is created. While using the testnet, you can click on this faucet button for free to be able to use testnet and make transactions. If you want to send Aptos or any other tokens to another wallet, just click on the send button, then paste the receiver wallet here and you can write the balance that you want to send at this section. Then click on the next button. You can see your NFTs at the library section. You can stake your Aptos coins when the blockchain gets to mainnet from this section, and from the activity section you can see all the trades and transactions that you made, and from the settings section you can change the network that you are using right now. You can move from testnet to devnet, or you can add new networks from the add button, or you can change your account's name by clicking on the pencil icon. Let's make an example right here. I will click on the pencil icon and make my account's name Coin Engineer. And as you can see, my account's name was account. It was the default one and now it's Coin Engineer. If you want to copy your wallet address, you can click on this icon to copy it, and as you can see, when I clicked on send and paste it here, I will be able to use the send section to send Aptos coins. And this is everything you need to know about Petra wallet for now. Don't forget to follow our channel for the upcoming updates and new testnets that you have to participate to get an airdrop. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button. See you in the next one.